Ready to toast to an epic student life in London? Welcome to Bloomsbury Janet Poole House, where your academic dreams take flight. Step into a world of comfort with stylish non-ensuites, chic ensuites, and modern studios, all designed keeping you in mind. Fully furnished and packed with amenities, Bloomsbury Janet Poole House keeps you living in style. Need to hit the books? The dedicated study room is your go-to spot for serious focus. Catch the latest flicks with pals in the cinema room. And guess what? All utility bills are included, making life here a breeze. Say goodbye to long commutes. You're just a short distance from the University of London and the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art. Need a coffee fix? Lever and Bloom Coffee has you covered. For essentials, Yo Home Oriental Lifestyle is just a short walk away. Plus, with Capper Street bus stop nearby, getting around the city is a snap. So why wait? Book your spot at Bloomsbury Janet Poole House, London, and let the adventure begin. Head over at amberstudent.com today and secure your dream student home.